Theraluxe is 100% built in Canada. Our materials are primarily sourced locally. We work with a lot of local vendors, local subcontractors to keep our product as Canadian as possible. We do bring in some profiles of paneling and equipment from overseas. That's primarily because North America is still early in the sauna movement, and because of that, there's better equipment, better material that we can bring in from specifically places like Finland. Estonia are two really big places. We have several thermally modified paneling options that we bring in from Estonia. We've got our thermal spruce comes from Finland. We are trying to push for more Canadian thermal woods, and there's a lot of change happening on that front. A lot of thermal woods being adopted, a lot of local mills leaning into that. So we're likely going to see more thermal products that are harvested, milled, and thermally modified in Canada locally. So our saunas are, number one, they're not kits. Our saunas are not kit saunas. They're not imported. They are 100% designed and built in Canada, specifically in Langley, BC. Our saunas were designed with a Canadian climate in mind, with a wide variety between the humid, wet Pacific Northwest climate versus the harsher climates of the prairies. Each build that we do is built to order, and we have certain elements that we look at and customize to geographical location. So if this is going to go to Lower Mainland BC, there'll be more of an emphasis on managing moisture. If this is going to go to Whistler, we're going to add additional structure in the roof and the walls to account for 5 to 6 feet of wet snow load. If we're going to ship this to the prairies where we have a lot colder temperatures, -20, -30, we upsize heaters accordingly, so it's very tailored to its final destination. We find our clients choose Theraluxe primarily for build quality. Our build quality is hands down the best in the market. You're not going to find a builder that pays more attention to the overall quality of the materials, the millwork, functionality of the sauna. We have a significant emphasis on aesthetics and design as seen in our website and our social media, but what may not be seen is going to be all of our design elements and considerations around how heat moves throughout the space, how stratification throughout the sauna. Our saunas are built by a team of very dedicated craftsmen that are very passionate about building saunas, building structures, serving clients, and just building the best possible product they can build. We have a combined over 100 years of experience in the building industry. We have specialists that have built a lot of saunas, a variety of saunas. We very frequently get asked if our saunas are kits that can be assembled on site, that get brought in via pallet, like a lot of the other options on the market, and that is definitely not what we do. Our saunas are fully built in-house. They're built to completion, and then they are prepped for transport and delivered into place. Generally, they'll get delivered with a crane. You can always dolly them into place as well. Our approach is very creative and collaborative. We work a lot with on-site contractors to get these structures in place. It's always a big challenge and a big hurdle to address. And if we were to build our saunas panel by panel on site, the level of quality would go down significantly, and we refuse to drop our level of quality to improve convenience. So a big reason why people will go with our saunas is we especially see this in the landscape design or custom home design space, where architects will spec our product because we have a lot of flexibility. On average, an outdoor build will have 28 to 32 different options by default, which results in an infinite amount of combinations and options available. And we have been known to accommodate a lot of custom requests around exterior cladding systems or flooring to fit a space. So if you're going to do a landscape renovation and you have a certain type of stone or decking that you like to see incorporated through your sauna, that is something that we can look at and add to a build to make that fit seamlessly into your property. We put a lot of emphasis on our lighting, and what we're trying to create is spaces that have a very warm and inviting glow. We do that with a lot of indirect lighting that is very customizable. So we have, each sauna will feature several lighting zones. There's generally an interior lighting zone and an exterior lighting zone. So you can kind of tweak it based on what you prefer. So very often you'll see people have a preset for daytime and a preset for nighttime. A lot of people prefer a bit more privacy, and with a lot of our saunas with a lot of glass frontage, you can really turn down the lights where it feels very relaxing, very comfortable, and a bit more private. So the lighting we use inside the sauna is a really high quality LED that does not flicker through the brightness range. So if you dim it all the way down, it'll stay consistent. You're not going to see any flicker. Something that we do to keep our product and our clients safe is an in-house designed proprietary system that adds an extra level of defense for overheating and potential fire risk. We have our thermal sensor. We've also hidden an overheat sensor as well that will get triggered at 130 degrees Celsius, at which point, if your sauna ever does get to that temperature, it'll turn off the primary contactor, cutting power to the entire sauna heating system.